So the Avengers Infinity War spot that hit during the Super Bowl has certainly caused a lot of fan excitement. Rightfully so, the movie is right around the corner. I of course did my breakdown, which you guys can check out up there. It's annotated or pops up an exclamation mark. And there are a few people that are mad at me for apparently missing the Captain Marvel Easter egg because she's apparently in the trailer. So I did what I do. I took it to talk to some people and went onto Twitter and looked at what people were talking about. So if you look at this one frame in this scene right here, and I'm going to zoom in right now to this little red and gold, apparently that is Captain Marvel. Now my guess is that people are coming to this conclusion due to the fact that there is some red and quite clearly some gold there. But here is a better answer to what that probably is. Actually, not probably 100% what it is. It is Scarlet Witch. I could tell you that 100% that this is going to be Scarlet Witch that is right there behind Steve Rogers. Now, of course, I'm not 100% certain on this, but seeing how we've had all of these leaks that point towards it, seeing as to how Brie Larson was never on the set of Avengers 3 or Avengers Infinity War when they were shooting it. She was only reporting to Atlanta for Captain Marvel and some Avengers 4 stuff. It just wouldn't make sense to me. And since this definitely looks like the scene where the, I guess we'll call them the new Avengers for right now, first show up and they're here to kind of make amends with Tony Stark, I would say maybe, and we see that Vision is rather hurt. We see that he's walking next to someone, probably Wanda, considering there was some leaked footage out there of her looking like she's trying to defend him while he's battling Corvus Glaive. It just kind of makes me 100% certain that this is not Captain Marvel and that it is Scarlet Witch. But here we go. If it's Captain Marvel, I will eat a physical copy of Avengers Infinity War when it releases on Blu-ray. I will cook that thing up, slice it up onto a pizza and eat it. No joke.